Hi everyone, my name is Nicole Brown. I am 35 years old. I live in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. I have been here all of my life. I work for AmeriHealth Caritas, which is a Medicaid HMO, and the tenet of this company is to provide health care for the poor and underserved. So at this juncture in my life, I decided to pursue social work for two different reasons. One of them is because I have always informally been placed in roles where I'm advocating for families, for children, for my friends' children, and my job. I worked with a project focusing on social determinants of health. So I was providing resources and I was connecting with our members, and that type of advocacy and me being able to help people and improve their quality of life in any way that I can really meant something to me. And one of the most important reasons is that I had a heart attack about 2 years ago, where I have a stent placed in my heart. And so from that, my journey kind of evolved. I started to pay closer attention to my well-being and my needs, and I was trying to figure out like my relationship patterns and the things that provided stress for me. And figuring out those things, I was able to move from the trauma of having a heart attack. So with that experience, it's really important to me to help people find out how they can improve their quality of life, regardless if they are coming from a situation where they're affected by trauma, if it's something that has happened throughout the course of their life. I just believe that everybody is deserving of advocacy. I believe that everybody is deserving of someone that can support them. So social work overall is just improving the condition, the well-being of human beings. And I just want to be at the forefront. I particularly have a love for the youth. And I'm going to end now because my 2 minutes is running out. Thank you guys.